好的，大家我们要介绍的是中研院跟西门町，这样吗？
对。
然后第一个是中研院，就是大概要去的顺序，因为主要是去对，那应该是人文的部分，因为平常都是在上数理嘛，想要换一个新的领域，所以我们的大概有4个都是人文的，然后这个是我选的模式，好长哦，我不要念。然后反正它就是看那个标题，感觉蛮有趣的，对，有什么 AI 与小鼠，就是听起来蛮有趣，有关于神经科学跟分子生物，所以我就选这个，赞。
我。再来我们要去胡适纪念馆，就里面就是在讲胡适的东西，有他的遗物跟他的书，然后全面禁止录影，但是有一些就会开放，然后免费参观。你们要不要听听看胡适的声音？
现在吗？
现在吗？
就是等一下全部结束再听，因为这可能需要一点时间。
怎么会这样对待？
什么？好，下一个是冷战究竟有多冷？就是我对于近代，算是近代史嘛，反正就是关于第2次世界大战都蛮有兴趣的，所以我选了这个。然后它同时也会结合目前现在台湾的局势做介绍，做一个演讲，所以我觉得可能对之后的历史课也蛮有帮助的吧。
然后我们要去的地方是，商代青铜器学院的展览，主要就是在讲妲己，然后它是采用3D 绘图，还有人体动作捕捉来呈现那个妲己她的样子。然后也是在同一个地方，我们要看的是国宝，就有很多文物。然后我们要再去另一个岭南美术馆，里面有很多国画跟书法，就差不多像这2张图的样子。然后还有一些，里面有很多梅花的画。也是免费参观的。
好，这个是，就是关于原住民如何进入国家治理。我是直接看到标题就说我要去这个，因为可能大家对于原住民可能都是比较弱势的部分，但这个演讲就是从一个比较新的角度去解释这个原住民在国家治理的这个部分，然后我觉得我可能会蛮有兴趣的，所以就把这个加进来了。Okay. Next, I wanna introduce Ximending, and can you guys please pretend you are our friends from Indonesia? So, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask us, and without any hesitation. Okay, Ximending is best known as a bustling, colorful shopping district near Taipei Main Station, which means it is very convenient for visitors to get there and have fun. And it is also a multicultural area in Taipei. That is because, you can see many tourist spots of different vibes. For example, the Red House, Rainbow Six, and Animate, and like some bars of KTV. I think it's very interesting, so I want to share to you guys. The first of all is the Red House. It is a monument with over 100 years history. And it was I think it's Republic market before, and the government now rebuild it, become a creative market. It means people will sell their handmade stuff, and I think it's very interesting, and we can take a look of it. And there are also like bar, but it is gay bar and workshop or something. Anyway, we can check it out later. Okay, next is Rainbow Six. As you guys might know, that Taiwan is the first country with legalized same-sex marriage. And this is because of we want to commemorate the things we have respect different sexual kinda, I don't know. So we said this, and honestly it's just a crosswalk that is painted with many colors. And it also stands for our Society of Taiwan, respect human rights and gender friendly. And this one is my favorite anime shop, and it also have a cafe, I'm sorry. And it is such as a paradise for anime fans. It is come from Japan, and it sells like anime stuffs and comics, novels, or maybe CDs in there. It is very many things you can buy, so it's a place for spending money. And yeah, I love it.
This is what we are going to do.
Sing? You want to sing?
This KTV
it's very special because it has the opulently furnished, and it has 32 types of boxes can choose. Oh, that's interesting. And it also has delicious food, so we can also introduce to our friend from Indonesia. And okay, that's all. And the last, I want to introduce you guys food in Ximending. I choose some types of some typical Taiwanese food, like my favorite bubble tea and fried chicken and chopped tofu. I don't want to say it's stinky tofu because I don't think it is that stinky, you know. And this is oyster omelette. Okay, whatever. 蚵煎就是不好意思 it is made of it has seafood in there and with eggs battery. I don't know what it is actually, but it tastes great. You can try it. Okay, this is for after I finish the speech. I want to ask our friend from Indonesia some questions, so I can skip it. And 这是那个图片来源，对，然后这是资料来源。And 我们的报告结束了，谢谢大家。
那个胡适，那个胡适还要吗？